Hey everyone, it's Sam here and I'm back to open day number 9 from my Made to Surprise Advent. Now I know some of you opened this one thinking it was day number 6, but it doesn't matter. I think next time maybe I'll put the little line underneath the box. Okay, so here is number 9. And just push the top. What could it be? So this here is a glue pin. You've got a mix, everybody's will probably be different, but you've got a mix of the polymer clay beads there with the silver spaces and then 2 silver hearts on the bottom. And the nice thing about this one is it's on a lobster claw. So just take the little pin off first. You don't need that part. So just remove this bit. And then you've got a lobster claw just there. Okay. So you can add things to it, take it off if you want. It's entirely up to you. So it does detach really nicely. And it's a very, very thin pin. So it will even go in your precision nib glues as well. And it will stop it clogging up and it looks really pretty. So I hope you find this one useful and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye.